Hey y'all, welcome to an episode of Am I Really Depressed or Do I Just Need My Hair Done? Who knows? Let's shampoo this quick weave out. So this is a shampoo that I'm using, and then this is the mask I'm going to use. So with a quick weave, you just want to wash it out. Like, you don't want to rip, you don't want to pull it. You just want to massage the shampoo through until the quick weave loosens and pops off. Literally, this took like a span of like 2 to 3 minutes. Like, it's very quick. Length check. So this is how much my hair has grown since the last time. It's growing pretty good. I just got like a trim like 3 weeks ago when I got my hair colored dark. And then this is me doing my braid down. We're gonna do a middle part this time. Well, another middle part. And then I'm gonna braid the rest down. Y'all know how I go with a quick weave. This is the molding cap I'm going to use. This is the hair glue I'm going to use. This is the hair oil that I'm going to put on my braids. This is the cap. And then this is the hair that I'm using. I love pink lemon hair. Like, let me tell you something. That is the best hair store quality hair I have ever used in my life. It is so good. It don't tangle. It really don't shed. And it's bouncy and shiny. It even gets even shinier after the first wash. Like, when it looks all crusty and dusty, just wash it. It will be spanking good as new. So I already know the drill. I'm cutting ear holes so it can fit on my head a little bit better, so it'll be a little bit more comfortable as I am putting like everything on this cap. Now I'm just outlining where my parts are because it's hard to see after a while. But then after that, I'm going to put a molding cap on top so that it can protect my hair. This is the number one step to have your quick weave slip off when you're ready to take it out and wash it. This is it. It helps everything slip and slide off like butter. And then you're just going to put each weft on there until you reach all the way to the top where your leave out is. And then that's pretty much the end of the quick weave, pretty much. It's as simple as that. Usually this can take me up to like in 2 hours or an hour and a half. It kind of just really depends if I take breaks or, I don't know, dealing with my kiddo. It just kind of like depends. But max 2 hours.
Try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, taste it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
If you're not a skilled professional, do not try this at home. I'm using a straight razor to cut my layers, and this is an old school straight razor. And girl, I did end up like cutting myself a little bit when I was doing my layers because I wasn't paying attention. I didn't cut myself too bad, but luckily I caught it just in time before it got bad. So just be careful when you're using straight razors to like cut your layers. I feel like it's the easiest way to do layers versus doing my scissors, because my scissors at home are pretty dull. So using a razor instead, it's way easier to cut. But basically, I'm gonna do my face frame in the front, and then I'm gonna take those layers and basically draw them back so that it creates like longer layers throughout the whole head.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, taste it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.